In general, when you use generative AI or the large language models that are behind these capabilities, you do have to send the entire content of your documents, all the data that you have, to these services. And because the models are very complex, only very large institutions really have the capabilities to train these models. And so you have to send your data to these large anonymous players where you don't know exactly where is the data processed, where is it stored, who has access to it. That makes it very difficult to kind of manage and mitigate the risks that come with data privacy issues. There are definitely ways that you can apply to mitigate the risks that you take. For us, it's mainly about putting the customer in control of the data that they share with external systems, and therefore being able to control the risks that you take when it comes to disclosing the relevant data. One of the approaches you could take is running models locally. Usually those are much less powerful than the ones that are run by the large organizations in the cloud. But of course, it allows you to retain the data entirely within your organization or within your primary supplier's premises. Another way that we are actively pursuing is to not send the entire document or the full content of your documents to large language models, but to actually only send meta information, structure about the document that makes it possible for these language models to answer the questions that you have about your documents without actually sharing the content.